Transform your lead nurturing and customer engagement from manual to magical with automated follow-up campaigns using Zapier. Imagine consistently touching base with your leads and customers at just the right moments. Without lifting a finger, that's the power of Zapier's follow-up automation today. We're going to walk through setting up a basic, yet incredibly effective, follow-up campaign. First, head over to your Zapier dashboard and click on the prominent Create Zap button to begin building your automation. We're going to start by setting up the trigger for our follow-up campaign. This is the event that kicks off the automated sequence for demonstration purposes. Let's say a new lead fills out a form in Typeform, so in the Trigger app search, type and select Typeform. Next, for the trigger event, choose New Entry. This tells Zapier to watch out for every new submission on your chosen Typeform form. Now, let's define what happens after a new entry is submitted in the Action app search. Type and select Gmail, since we'll be sending a follow-up email. For the action event, select Send Email. This is where you'll craft the message that your leads will receive. Here's where the personalization really shines in the To field. You'll map the email address from your Typeform entry for the subject. You can create something engaging, perhaps including the prospect's name in the body. You can draft your follow-up message. You can even pull in details from the form submission, like their name or the specific product they're interested in, making each email feel tailored. But we don't want to send it immediately to add a delay. We'll introduce another action in the Action app search, type and select Schedule by Zapier. For the action event, choose Delay. For this allows you to control exactly when the next step in your follow-up sequence is sent. Here, you can specify the delay, for instance, to send the second email 3 days after the initial form submission. Simply enter 3 days. You can adjust this to whatever time frame makes sense for your sales cycle. You can chain multiple actions together to create a complete follow-up sequence after the delay. You can add another Gmail action to send a different email, perhaps offering a resource or a demo. Simply repeat the process of adding a Gmail action and configuring its content. Zapier makes it easy to set up a series of emails that nurture your leads until they're ready to buy or engage further. Once you've built your complete follow-up sequence, don't forget to hit the Turn on Zap or Publish button to activate your automated campaign now. Every time someone fills out your form, Zapier will intelligently manage your follow-ups, saving you time and boosting your conversion rates.